Let's learn how to create a timeline or Gantt chart in Google Sheets. Here we have projects and tasks that we will now view in a timeline format. Select the data, then click on Insert and then select Timeline View. A new tab would be created. You may encounter an error due to blank rows. Don't worry, you can simply ignore it. Let's pick our start and due date. We have duration column. You can select it as a due date. I want to see all the timeline based on the project. So I will select the card title as project. And also I will group cards according to project. And then in card details I will select task. It will give me an overview of my projects and tasks in the Gantt chart. You can also change card color. Here is how to do it. Click on the card. Card details will appear on the right hand side. Here you can pick a card color, but I would recommend changing the card color based on conditional formatting. Let's come to sheet 1. I would like to color my cards based on project color assigned on sheet 1. I will select column A, then click on format, then conditional formatting. Then format cell if text is exactly in the blank field. I will add project A for now. For project A, let's give green color. You can see all cards that belong to project A are in green color now. Similarly, you can give colors to any field to differentiate cards based on color in the timeline or Gantt chart view. Let's change our grouping so you can have a better understanding of it. You can also view your timeline on daily, weekly and yearly basis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Workspace tips. Thanks for watching.